Okay, so I am about to clean up my living room and get started on my day. I did do a little bit of picking up before this before my partner got up. And a little bit about me. I am a submissive housekeeper, homemaker. I'm a housewife. I'm not married, but I'm a housewife. And I basically handle stuff around the house. So I am going to go ahead and start with just picking up for the day and getting my day all together. So, got some music on. dishes. So I am a submissive housewife. I handle the day-to-day stuff around the house, and I wanted to do these vlog videos and other sorts of videos on this topic because the videos that I do see about being a housewife, and especially one who is submissive, is very much from a religious place and very much from I'm submissive because I'm a woman, which that definitely isn't it. It's me being submissive by nature because that's who I am, and this is how I show it in my life. So I wanted to do some from that perspective. And just some of them can be, sometimes those types of those videos can be kind of unhealthy. And I wanted to make sure I do this stuff so people see that it doesn't always have to be that way, and that you can make of it what you want out of it. And not that any or all of those women are forced to be in those things, but there's definitely a feeling of needing to be in it because of things that they've talked about. And not all of them, not even most of them, but there's always such a religious undertone to it. And I am actually pagan, and the goddess that I currently worship, the only one I currently worship, is a hearth and home goddess. So, like, so I do want to be honest with that. However, I worship that goddess because that worship came after becoming a homemaker and a housewife. That came because, with my personal branch of paganism, my personal beliefs, you work with the deities and you worship the deities that align with your life and align with what you need in that very moment. So working with a deity of house and home when I'm a housewife at the moment, or of hearth and home when I'm currently a housewife, makes a lot of sense. So I do want to be completely transparent with that. But this is how I show my submission to my partner, and it's something that I really enjoy. There are parts about it that aren't always great. I have recently taken over doing dishes, as you can see. I used to not do them because of anxiety. However, I've been working on that, and I'm a much better ability to do dishes, clean in general. And that is definitely something I am really happy with. videos, I'd like to do tips and tricks for other homemakers and other submissives going down the same path. Or a similar path, not even the same. So I don't know how well this is going to do, how many people are going to watch these, but I think it's important to try and put them out there. Oh, there's a hole in this one. Okay, that's why that's sitting. It isn't even open. Alright. So, I got pretty much all of my cleaning done. I will have to do some more cleaning later once I will do some more cleaning once I get some other stuff going. But that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching me clean. Possibly cleaning with me. I mean, it's a good video just to put on while you're cleaning. And I hope you enjoyed what I had to say about why I'm doing these videos and why these videos are important to me. So, hope you enjoyed that. Talk to you guys later.